Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by turning cooked lobster into paste immediately, so work efficiently. Remove all meat from tails and claws, then roughly chop to speed blending. Once done, collect shells and any juices in a pot for stock. This concentrates flavor you'll fold back later. Make sure to measure the meat weight. Add about 10% butter by weight to create a rich texture. While the shell stock simmers, keep the chopped meat chilled so it stays firm and blends into a smooth paste. Once the shells simmer, you extract deep umami by reducing the liquid down to a syrupy glaze. This is why you don't discard shells. After straining, cool the concentrate slightly. Now combine lobster meat, softened butter, and 5,100 ml of that reduced stock in a food processor. Pulse to break fibers, then run continuously to emulsify. Scrape sides and check temperature. Warm helps emulsions, but keep under 60 degrees to protect flavor. Make sure the mix reaches a satin, spreadable consistency before seasoning. To finish, taste and adjust. A squeeze of lemon and a pinch of white pepper lift the paste, while a splash of cognac deepens the profile. Add sparingly. If you need a spreadable, stable paste, dissolve 1/2 teaspoon gelatin in warm stock or fold in glace. This prevents separation when chilled. Once smooth, press into sterilized jars, cover the surface with a thin film of butter to seal, and refrigerate. Troubleshooting tip: if paste splits, gently warm and re-emulsify with a tablespoon of warm stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.